Hello everyone, I am Ishani. I am Nisha.
Today, Ishani and Elisha will tell you how to prepare a refreshing drink, lemonade. So, here are the things we need to prepare it. Let's see.
Salt, lemon juice, sugar,
Very good.
lemon,
Wow.
glass, water,
And a
spoon.
yeah. So let's begin. Firstly, we'll take some water in a glass with 2 spoons of sugar.
Sugar.
Now we'll mix it well. Stir it until sugar dissolves. Start. One by one, one by one. Happy? See, there are no sugar crystals left. Now we'll start adding other things to it. Let's do it. Elisha, put lemon juice in it. Carefully. Good job. Ishani, salt. Add salt to it. Very good. Now mix it. Done? Now we'll add some water to it. You may add cold water, ice cube. It's very refreshing. And it's done.
Done.
Finish.
Finish.
We'll taste it now. How's it?
Fresh.
Yummy, yummy. Love you all. Please try it at home. You'll love it.